Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description, try this out, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Okay, let's start with a 0. And 0 gives us 0. How about 1? And 1 gives us a 0.125. Okay, how about 2? And 2 gives us 1. So we went from 0 to 0.125, that's 1/8 up, and then we went 7 more eighths up to get to 1. So this is a curve for sure. I think that's clear from just looking at it. Let's put in a 3. Whoops. Yeah, and the curve is continuing to accelerate upwards. Let's put in a 4. And 4 gives us 8. That's a useful point, I think. Maybe it'll help us in our thinking. Let's see what happens. Is this a parabola? Is this? It looks very flat down at the bottom. Is it maybe an x to the 4th? Let's see what happens in the negative. Okay. I think I know what's going on. Do you? I'm just going to quickly put in these negative numbers to make it symmetrical. So now the shape should be pretty clear to you. It's just a really stretched out version of a cubic function. It's down on the left and up on the right and gets really flat in the middle. Because it's centered at 0, 0, it's just x cubed, but there is, I think, a multiplier here because it's been kind of flattened, stretched out. It's sort of a shallower cubic than we're used to seeing. So I think what's being multiplied is a fraction. And the place you look for this is 1 away. So if I put in 1 for x, that's still 1 when I cube it, then whatever the multiplier is going to reveal itself. So when I put in 1 here, I'm at 0.125. And when I'm at -1, I'm at -0.125. That is 1/8. So I think our equation is 1/8 times x cubed. But we've got this lovely point right here. Let's go ahead and put in a 4 and see what happens. So 1/8 times 4 cubed. So what is 4 cubed? Well, 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64, so that's 1/8 times 64. 64 divided by 8 is 8, and look at that. We put in 4, we get out 8. So I think there's no question here. We've got 1/8 x cubed. Let's take a look. Yeah, there it is, 1/8 x cubed, and we can graph that. Lovely, lovely shape of the cubic function and just really flattened out around that center. Well, how did that go for you? Did you think cubic? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.